Hey everybody, this is Chef Pete, and you know what? Today, Chef Pete's going to be the resourceful chef, because I am going to show you how to make the basic chef salad. Now the chef salad, believe it or not, it originated in the early 1900s, right? And it didn't really come into play until the 1940s, after Prohibition, and then the 1940s came at the Ritz-Carlton in New York City. Well, it was popularized by the hotel chef that was there, Louis Diat. And Louis Diat made it his own way. But if we want to go back before 1940s, we go back to the ancient Greeks. And the ancient Greeks said, you know, and the Greeks in modern Greece said, we've got some leftover things, and Anthony will show you here what we have on our little buffet table. With some egg, hard-boiled, some tomatoes, cucumbers, some beautiful smoked turkeys, and some beautifully smoked ham, some cheeses, and avocado, and of course, the winning lettuce over here, okay? And what we do with this is you can make a traditional, and I've made it here, a traditional Thousand Islands dressing, right? Or you can use oil and vinegar, or you can use Italian, or you can use ranch, or use whatever you like, okay?
Even Caesars.
Even Caesars, if you want to make the dressing that way, okay? So, when you do this kind of thing, usually what people do is they take things they have left over from their refrigerator. I went exactly by the classical recipe today, and that's why you see these things on the table. We see some beautiful grape tomatoes, some cucumber, some turkey, some ham. I have some hard-boiled eggs. I'm going to slice some avocado, some Swiss cheese, and some beautiful cheddar cheese over here, okay? And you can use whatever you like. You could use butter lettuce, you could use iceberg lettuce. I'm using a romaine heart, one for each bowl, romaine hearts, okay? And that's how you make this. It's really easy. So I want you to tune in to the shorts. We'll number them, 1, 2, whatever they are. Watch the shorts as I put together our beautiful Chef Pete's chef salad. Okay, so this is Pete as always, out.